Here she comes. Oh boy, look at her go. She's getting the princess ball. She likes to hang out on her side right there. Pose. Oh boy. That's not the most impressive way to do it, but here she goes to the kitchen. She's gonna go for some cookies. Evie! Hello! She's...
Evie! Where you going?
She's picking up the dirt on the kitchen floor. There's some. Yeah, you did it! Say, Mom, you need to sweep. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Evie. Say bye-bye.